Why do 65% of space enthusiasts dream about Mars while the moon is right next door? Let's dive in. Okay, let's start with the basics. The moon is our loyal neighbor, always hanging around Earth. Mars, it's that cool cousin everyone talks about but hardly gets to see. First off, gravity. The moon's gravity is just 1/6 of Earth. So jumping around would be like bouncing on a trampoline. Mars has about 1/3 of Earth's gravity. I think of it as moon bouncing, but with a little more oomph. Now let's talk weather. The moon is like the Wild West. No atmosphere, meaning crazy temperature swings from scorching hot to freezing cold. Mars, on the other hand, has a thin atmosphere, so it's chilly but manageable. Think Antarctica, but redder and with more dust storms. Ever dream of a Martian sunset? On Mars, sunsets are blue. Yep, blue. Meanwhile, our moon doesn't have a sky, so no sunsets there, just endless space. How about water? The moon has some ice in its craters. Mars